Hello everyone. It's been a while since my last video. We were on vacation. We went to Athens, Greece. Had a great trip. What I did before I left was I masked off the areas on both sides so I could repaint the fenders. What happened is I just gave them a quick coat of Rust-Oleum rust paint, and then a couple of days later I took the trailer for a ride through a slushy day. As I wanted to torture test it, check for leaks with all kinds of slop splashing everywhere. It was a good a really good test. And then I took it to the car wash and blasted as much of the crap off of it as I could. And today I started stripping off all the masking. You can see, I don't know if I did such a great job on this, but it's got 3 coats of gravel guard on it. I guess it's called rocker panel guard or something. At any rate, I had to strip all the old paint off because when I took it to the car wash, half the paint on the fenders just got blasted off from the pressure washer. Anyway, I think it'll look pretty good now and should provide some protection. And after that, there really isn't that much I'm going to do for now. One thing I did discover, this roof vent is just a fairly cheap unit from Johnson Surplus in White Pigeon, Michigan. And one problem I discovered is it doesn't have a lock position. So when I was coming back from winter camping, I noticed that the lid had flipped up. See, I've improved the bed. Upstairs under the spare bed, I found an old foam topper that we had used in our T&B trailer. And it's kind of doubled over here, but it worked out pretty well. You can see I've got the cutout from the roof vent with the heater sitting on it. That's just temporary. I have decided I am going to put one shelf in here above the shore power because I want to put the heater up on the shelf as well as put a small fan on the shelf too. You do get a little bit of condensation in areas that don't get any heat blown at them. Not on the bed or anywhere else. It's just a little bit down the side. Like, it's really minor, but I really think that a fan to move the air around will completely prevent that. It's not like anything can rot in here, but still. And that's, you're talking about, about minus 12°C it got down to when I was camping one night. And this being only an inch of styrofoam plus the 2 layers of Phylon, it's not really 100% perfect in cold weather. But I think with a fan to distribute the air around and the heater, instead of just blasting all the heat in one place at the foot of the bed, with the heater up high and all the heat going around, I think I can eliminate all the condensation. And like I say, You're talking of a few minor droplets here and there. I don't know if I probably didn't show this in the last video. I relocated the license plate onto the back of the fiberglass because it was hanging down here on the bracket that came with this tail light kit, and really it's just acting like a bit of a sail. And I thought, well, that's also the lowest point. And if you've ever had a cheap utility trailer with one of these license plate brackets, you're probably like me and have had the license plate break off. Usually, luckily, I would see it half hanging there before you lose it, but sometimes I've actually lost them. It sets you back another $40, get another license plate. So this is easily removed. I haven't put a, I'm gonna put a connector here so I can just unplug it for when I hopefully get to try it out on a pickup truck. So today I'm going to tear off all the masking, and so far I've taken a little bit of it off. Over here on the door, I painted the gray file on white. This isn't a perfect match. White is just simply some white Rust-Oleum universal paint that basically sticks to everything. So I painted the black hinge white. I painted the little L bracket or angle piece of aluminum white. And I think it'll blend in fairly nicely. After that, other than building the shelf inside, I'm probably not going to do that much more to it. Other than continue to give it a good torture test. All right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.